Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in again. Alex and I here, back to talk about what Titan's going to be up to in the month of September. September marks the end of the summer season with all of the wine tours and the golf tournaments coming to a close. So if you are planning on attending those this summer, make sure you're jumping in on those in September.
Kicking it off on September 8th, we have WESCO Quebec's customer appreciation event at Michelangelo. There will be a Supplier tabletop expo from 4 to 6 p.m. and then a customer dinner from 6:30 to 10. Looking forward to see you there.
On September 9th, I'm very excited to be attending the CANASA Prince Edward County Winery Tour. It's going to be a great event.
Also, catch Titan at the GSX in Atlanta this year. That'll be from September 12th to 14th. Reach out to your local Titan rep because Johnson Controls will be hosting meeting rooms. So make sure to book a time slot with them to review products and have one-on-one discussions. Also, if you're going to GSX, don't forget to register for Canada Night. That's on September 11th on Sunday, 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. at the Hudson Grille.
ADI Scarborough will be hosting their grand opening on September 14th from 10:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. We're very excited to be showcasing our fantastic products, but also there's a pig roast, an ice cream truck, as well as a DJ coming in after noon. So we're very excited to be attending that event. Join Martin and I at the CANASA Golden Horseshoe Golf Tournament at Willow Valley Golf Course, September 15th.
On September 15th, join us at the WESCO Montreal Brossard Branch Grand Opening event. That will be from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. We will be entertained with both food trucks and music. Seems like a great event. I'm looking forward to see all you out there.
Join CANASA and our own Tony Urson on September 15th as they tour the Kelowna wine country. That sounds like it's going to be a beautiful day. In Vancouver, happening on the 20th, we have the ADI Expo. Be sure to register so you can attend and get a run through of all of the great Johnson Controls security products.
Be sure to see both Raph and I at the CANASA Quebec Annual Golf Tournament and Bike Ride. That will be on September 21st with the 10:30 a.m. kickoff for the golfers, the 11 a.m. start for the 70-kilometer bike ride, and then everybody will meet up at 4 p.m. for both dinner and drinks. So once again, thank you everybody for tuning in. As per usual, all of the information for registration will be indicated in the description below.
Make sure you like and subscribe as we're putting out content on a regular basis. We want to make sure that you know about all the events in advance so you're able to register. Thanks very much. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.